Welcome back, dear viewers. In part 1 of our journey into the world of black pepper, we explored its origins and the fascinating varieties that exist. Today, our focus is on its traditional uses, particularly in Ayurvedic medicine. Black pepper is one of the oldest and most widely used spices in Ayurvedic medicine. It is known as Maricha in Sanskrit. Black pepper has a light and sharp quality known as lagu and tikshna. Its rasa or taste is katu, which is pungent. It is heating by nature and thus can increase pitta if taken in excess. It is helpful to balance vata and kapha. Let us see some Ayurvedic uses and benefits of black pepper. Black pepper is known for its ability to stimulate digestion. It helps increase digestive fire, agni, and is used to treat digestive disorders like bloating, indigestion, and gas. It is used in Ayurveda to treat respiratory conditions like cough, cold, and congestion. Its warming properties help to clear phlegm and relieve respiratory symptoms. Black pepper is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for overall health and immunity. It is believed that black pepper can help in weight loss due to its ability to improve metabolism and digestion. Black pepper is used in detoxification therapies in Ayurveda due to its ability to eliminate toxins from the body. One of the famous Ayurvedic preparation using black pepper is the Tratu. The word Trikatu is derived from a Sanskrit word where tri means three and katu means herbs that are hot and pungent. Trikatu churna consists of equal parts of black pepper, long pepper, and ginger. It is used to improve digestion and metabolism. Trikatu is considered a rasayana, a rejuvenating tonic that helps maintain health and longevity. Another preparation is the Mariadi taila. It is an herbal oil containing black pepper, used for external application to relieve muscle pain and inflammation. It's important to note that while black pepper offers many health benefits, it should be used in moderation, especially by individuals with pitta imbalances or ulcers, as it can be irritating in excess. Now let's explore some incredible home remedies that uses black pepper. From soothing sore throats to aiding digestion, black pepper has been used for centuries in home remedies. Make a tea by steeping freshly crushed black pepper and ginger in hot water. Add honey once it is warm. Take this mixture to help relieve cough, sore throat, and congestion. You can use black pepper powder instead of crushed peppercorns. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 1 teaspoon of ghee and add a dash of black pepper powder. This mixture boosts immunity and reduces chances of falling sick. Mix a teaspoon of jaggery powder and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper together. Eat this mixture for a few days to regain your loss of appetite. Mix crushed black peppercorns or black pepper powder with warm sesame oil and apply it to ease muscle soreness. Mix black pepper powder with lemon juice and warm water. Drink this mixture to help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Before we wrap up, it's important to remember that while black pepper offers many health benefits, it's not suitable for everyone. Here are some groups who should use it cautiously or avoid it altogether. Black pepper stimulates the stomach, which could worsen symptoms for individuals having peptic ulcer or gastritis. It's best to use it sparingly or avoid it if you have these issues. People with GERD or chronic acid reflux conditions may find that black pepper exacerbates their symptoms. It's wise to avoid using black pepper in such cases. Culinary amounts of black pepper are generally safe for pregnant and breastfeeding women, but it's best to avoid supplements and use it in moderation in cooking. Some individuals may be allergic or sensitive to black pepper, experiencing symptoms such as skin rashes, itching, or respiratory issues. If you have these reactions, it's best to avoid black pepper altogether. Individuals who have recently undergone gastrointestinal surgery should consult with their healthcare provider before consuming black pepper, as it may irritate the digestive tract. It's always a good idea to listen to your body. Have you ever used black pepper as a home remedy or in Ayurvedic preparations? If so, what was your experience with its health benefits? Do let us know by commenting below.